Today, we're exploring an abandoned barn. This barn was left to rot several decades ago, complete with two 50-foot grain silos. The barn is now a hub for graffiti artists and wildlife alike. Join us today as we stumble across some very unusual discoveries, as well as PJ's attempt to climb a grain silo. This is Urban Exploration with Scott's Adventures.
Hello, Scott's Shots.
Scott's Adventures.
Hello, Scott's Adventures. Nice.
We're going to explore.
Is it that thing over there?
Yes, that thing over there. We're going to that thing over there. It's called a barn. It's fine. I have a flashlight.
I hope nobody takes it. Remind me when we get back to my car to look for my headlamp.
Yes, please do.
Please drop a comment, subscribe if you want me to find my headlamp.
Write in the comments, PJ, did you remember your headlamp?
That will help me remember.
Welcome to the barn, welcome to the barn, PJ.
Oh no. I'm honored.
You have a flashlight? Or no? No
Hey
flashlight?
viewers, ask what happened to my headlamp.
Oh no, what happened to PJ's headlamp?
Ooh. I want to climb this.
You want to climb that?
Yeah, I don't think I should.
But you just want to and the temptation's there.
It is there. I mean, look at that. Alright. Should it like fisheye or you think it'll be good as how it is?
I think you'll be fine.
Okay.
Good luck, man.
Good stuff. Thank So these like door thingies open up and out, which means I'm standing on. Oh, that's fun. There's a little window here.
A window?
So I've got this whole wall behind me too. So.
Be careful, man.
Thank you. Okay. I think. Fear is the mind killer. That one's for you, Natty. Some of these are open already. Thank goodness we did legs earlier.
Never skip leg day, PJ. Ever.
Never skip leg day. Whew. It's a lot higher up than I thought it would be. Or maybe just longer to get there.
We only have like one more door to open.
Oh, nice. Whoa.
This is how far he's climbing up. All the way. Oh, that's a feather. He's climbing up all the way up there.
Ow. Yeah, I just slammed my elbow into the side of this and hit my fingers too. Normally, I would not do this. However, it's steel and concrete and none of it looks crumbly at all. Whoa.
How's the view?
Pretty sick. Let's see. Boop. Oh, turkeys. Dude, there's a bunch of turkeys down there. Uh-huh. Hopefully that was a good shot. I think I'm gonna come down. Thank goodness for my monkey arms. Thank you, Mom, for those genetics at least.
Are you making monkey noises? Thank you, PJ, because that shot, that's gonna get us some.
Sort of like,
We're gonna get so many views. We'll get like, I was gonna think 4 views, man.
oh, high roller, high roller.
PJ, convince the viewer to continue watching the video.
Please help me find my headlamp. It was a Christmas present, and it's a great headlamp. Ooh, we got a desk and a chair. We can chew at it. This is freaky. Oh, it's insulation. It's concrete. This is the. I don't know. I get laughed at. Is this the milking station? I'm sure about chocolate.
Yeah, I mean, it's either feed or milk. I can't really tell, man. Bro, I wonder if they have a $5 burrito in you.
Webs. The spiders got to it.
Ah,
Now they have
crap!
a case for Taco Bell. Our whole society is gonna get run over. I'm thinking both. I'm thinking they got milked and fed. That's what I'm thinking.
Do cows really have it that bad?
Dude, these Japanese cows, where they're like, you know, they got them in homes, they don't have that much land mass, so cows are getting like massages and then they can drink beer and all that.
They get, hold on, the cows drink beer in Japan?
Yeah, it fattens them up and makes them all relaxed, makes the meat nice and tender.
I didn't know that.
Imagine being your job is a cow massager. That'd be the light right there. Whoa. Dude, a chicken coop or for like a vineyard?
I assumed it was a chicken coop, but maybe this is a vineyard. I mean, it's pretty tall for a chicken coop. You don't really expect chickens to fly 12 feet high.
The holes in the top, put the stuff in. I think this is probably storage for stuff that they were also using for just the vine through. I wonder if this is storage for some sort of material, because then you could get stuff out of it. But they would then fill it in from the top there. Farmers, leave a comment. Educate us. What is this? Yeah, this was made to be under a heavy load. They got these steel bars here.
Yeah.
Like, they're made to keep it from bowing out. So, this was some sort of fill for something.
I'm just stepping wherever you step. Right. I'm going out this little window here. Yeah, I'm going out this window. Fuck, that's not good. Escape the cage, PJ. You're in a prison. You're in a prison designed for profit. They want to dehumanize you for money.
Hey, that's what we all want.
No. The human soul should be free.
It is free. Free to decide if it wants a 9 to 5.
Why would the soul choose that?
Why would it? Comfort?
What are you doing?
I cast allergens on you.
What?
I don't know. I mean, like, you go through the effort of buying the pant spray paint, bringing the pant spray paint, Go into some place to spray paint it, sometimes really high up, and the best you can think of is just a curse word. Like that's how you want to leave your mark in society. That's what you want to be remembered by.
What would you spray paint?
I don't know. Alright, this stuff, but alright, I can put some effort in there. But it's just like that, you know. That's the thing. It's like if I was gonna go through all that effort, I'd want something worth putting up. Or if I like had like a tag, like was like, okay, this is my tag or something. I might do that. It's like here's my mark. It's like unique.
I think that's poop, PJ.
Poop, PJ.
Yeah.
I don't know that guy. Well, here's your opportunity, David. You can poop your pants, just like old times.
Like old times?
Yeah.
What? What?
What?
Around here, PJ and I finally left the barn. We found a lot of desks for school children, which made me wonder how they even got here. The whole barn had this strange atmosphere. It felt both comforting and unsettling. When we were just about to leave, we came across a slightly disturbing discovery.
What's that?
What's that? Ooh.
What is
Probably
this?
the rest of the animal that we saw the bone of over there.
Oh shoot.
Deer got taken down by something.
Yeah, and then it got eaten. Then it rotted, but some of its fur is still here. You see the bones? This is like part of the skull, I think. Oh no, that's actually the spine. That's a spine.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
That's
I
a...
say hunters are inhumane. Bro, if I was a deer, I'd rather get shot than torn apart alive by some wild animal. Say that much. Behold!
Does it work?
Let's find out.
It works!
Time to go back in the car. The word of the day is scrumptious.
Alright, we'll end it there.
You're like milk a cow or massage a cow?
Honestly, I feel like a cow massage is somehow less personal.
For sure, you're not juicing an animal.
Yeah, I mean, like a cow massage, like...